is, stand back, said the elephant. I'm going to sneeze. And do we really need to see who it's by or not? Okay. Stand back, said the elephant. I'm going to sneeze. I hate to alarm you, but I don't wish to harm you. My friends, I fear it's clear. Oh dear, you'd better stand back. I'm going to sneeze. Oh no, cried the buffalo. You're so big and strong, and your trunk is so long. Your sneezes send everyone flying along, bumping and thumping down pathway and trail, bouncing and jouncing, jointing. Well, I don't know. Bouncing and...
Okay, get behind me, Terry.
If you can read this, please.
Trouncing.
Okay. Bouncing and trouncing. Bouncing and trouncing, head over tail. Thumping and bumping. Your sneeze is a gale. Or a hurricane. I hate to complain, but please don't sneeze. No, please don't sneeze, cried the monkeys in the trees. You make such a breeze when you sneeze. The last time you blew us right out of the trees. The branches began to bend and to sway. And some of us landed so far away we didn't get back until the next day. The leaves all went whirling and tumbling and swirling, and the flowers shook for hours. The last time you sneezed, even a cough would knock some of us off. Oh, please don't sneeze. With a strike, the parrot opened his beak. The elephant said he's going to sneeze. Oh, elephant, please, cried the bird in the trees. The last time you sneezed, we lost every feather. We don't know whether we'd ever get back together. Every parrot was bare as a sheet, from his head to his feet. What's more, all than whales. Whales. Does it say whales? Had peacocks' tails and the wings of the cockatoo. And the wings of a cockatoo. We're stuck on a kangaroo. Cockatoo, kangaroo. Peacock, kangaroo. Parrot.
Annie, you're on camera.
Okay. Well, I kind of forgot this. Every parakeet. Oh, okay. It was parakeet. If I said that wrong, I'm sorry. Okay. You must confess, very confusing and not too amusing. Even a snuffle makes our feathers ruffle. Oh, please don't sneeze. Fly, fly, called the bird to the bees. The elephant says he's going to sneeze. Oh no, buzzed the bees. Not a sneeze, not a sneeze. The last time he blew off our stings and our wings, and we had to make do with rose thorns and glue. Furthermore, what a shock. We all had to walk on our knees, if you please, and that's hard on these knees. While our wings grew back in, what a sin. Oh, please don't sneeze. Beware, beware, called the bees to the bear. The elephant says he's going to sneeze. Oh, said the bear. Okay, wait.
You can bring it up.
Beware, beware, called the bees to the bear. The elephant says he's going to sneeze. Oh, please not a sneeze, said the bear. That's not fair. I declare the last time he sneezed, he blew off all my hair and left me so bare. I spent the whole winter in long underwear. This is really hard for me.
Okay. All right, I can finish it, okay? Thanks for reading. You did a great job.
Anna, well, can we read another book? Because I'll read that.
Okay, that sounds good.
Well,
All right.
I wouldn't give this to Kyle because in the middle of the story, I don't think Denise or Kyle would be very happy to see that we're not going to read them.
What part don't you like?
It's hard to read.
Oh, okay.
There's words that are hard for me to know.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.